How to add an MX entry in cPanel. This demo assumes you've already logged into cPanel and are starting on the home screen. Now let's learn how to add an MX entry. Click the Zone Editor icon. Or if you want to, then click to add an MX record. Setting a custom MX entry is useful if you want your email handled by another server or if you want to set up a backup email server. Enter a priority number for the new MX record. The lower priority numbers will be tried first, followed by higher numbers. Then enter the new MX entry in the destination field and click to add the MX record. That's it. The new MX record has been added. Click Manage to go see the results. Here we can see we have two MX entries, including the one we just created. The default mybiz4321.com mail server will be tried first because it has a priority of 0, followed by the new email server mx1.myexchange.com because its priority number is 1. This is the end of the tutorial. You now know how to add an MX entry in cPanel.